The limit of 4 over x as x approaches 2 is 2. We're given an epsilon and we're asked to find the corresponding number delta. My function minus the limiting value is less than epsilon. And now I'm just trying to get down to that interval on the x-axis that I know will work. Let's rewrite that without the absolute value. Can add 2 to everything. And to work with this inequality, what I want to do now is use a fraction trick to help me out. So I'm going to write this as fractions on both sides instead of decimals. 1.6 is 8/5. 2.4 is 12/5. And what I remember is that if I take the reciprocal of all of my fractions, the inequality is still true, just in the reverse order. I flip the inequality symbols. Now I can just multiply everything by 4. All right, I always like reading inequalities from left to right. So 5/3 is less than x is less than 5 over 2. That's my interval on the x-axis. X has to be between 5/2 and 5/3. Excuse me, I should put 2 in the middle there. My value of delta is a distance. So delta could be this distance, which would be 5 over 2 minus 2, which would be 0.5. Or delta might be 2 minus 5/3, which would be, let's see, that's 6 over 3, that would be 1/3. So I'm picking between 1/2 and 1/3. Delta is 1/3, always the smaller number. And there I have a nice, happy, exact answer for delta.